Oh my gosh. Haha. Hailing, baby. Wow. Look at this. Wow. Holy crap, guys. You guys got a big one coming your way. Oh my god. That hell. This is a strong one. Just look at all this. It's all melting right now, and I don't want that to happen. I'm gonna pick it all up. And we got some thunder coming down here. It's getting lighter. Not so much hail coming down anymore. Wow. Oh my gosh. I'm done recording. That was a lot of hail. Oh my gosh. I can't believe that. Look at this stuff. Oh my god. Holy crap, that's cold. Brr. Holy. I'm hearing thunder right now, so that can't be good. Oh my lord, I'm gonna put the camera away. I'm gonna put all this stuff in here. Oh my gosh, it feels like snow. Oh my gosh. Well, that's the most I've ever seen in my life. Okay.